Hello, sports friends! Have you ever seen people doing amazing movements like spins, dodges, and acrobatics in the air, all to the sound of music and clapping? This is capoeira, one of the greatest treasures of Brazilian culture, and an awesome sport that mixes martial arts, dance, music, and lots of skill. And today, Lupinha is going to join this circle. But before the game starts, it's time for Lupinha's challenge. Let's see if you have the balance and focus of a true capoeirista. Put both feet on the ground with one leg in front of the other. Now, sway your arms to the rhythm of the music, from one side to the other, alternating with your legs. Wow, what a great swing! Ginga, you've got the moves! Did you know that capoeira started more than 400 years ago? That's right! It was created by enslaved Africans who arrived in Brazil. They brought their customs, rhythms, and traditions. And to keep their culture alive, practice defense moves, and not catch the attention of their oppressors, they had a brilliant idea. Practice the moves to the rhythm of the music. That way, it looked like they were just dancing. Over the years, capoeira conquered the whole world, and today it is practiced in many countries. A capoeira circle, rota, is a very special place. And do you know who commands all of this? The music! Do you know the instruments? There's the Pandeiro, the Atabaque, the Agogô, and the Reco-Reco, together with the main one, which is the Berimbau. They make the circle super lively. The participants form a big circle, and the capoeiristas go into the center to play. And you know what's the coolest part? In capoeira, there is no winner or loser. The main goal is to show skill, balance, respect, and lots of creativity. Always taking care of your play partner.
Bye-bye.
And guess what? Kids also put on a show in capoeira. In classes, the little ones learn basic moves like the Ginga, dodges to defend themselves, rolls, and small strikes. All with the help of experienced teachers and in very safe places. So, how about learning the Ginga, listening to the sound of the Berimbau, and discovering this sport full of history and friendship? Find your rhythm, call your friends, and remember, in sports, respect always goes hand in hand. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your capoeirista like. So, did you already know the sound of the Berimbau? See you in the next circle!
Bye-bye.